Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mustang tire. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack, a lug wrench, and your spare tire. Next, ensure your Mustang is parked on a flat, stable surface, safely away from any traffic. For your safety, engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the tires that will remain on the ground. Now, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen all the lug nuts on the flat tire. Do not remove them yet, just break them free. Next, locate the proper jacking point on your Mustang's frame, typically near the flat tire. Carefully position the jack there. Begin to raise the vehicle slowly and steadily until the flat tire is completely off the ground and can spin freely. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the flat tire. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its bolt holes with the wheel studs on your Mustang. Slide the spare tire onto the studs. Hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the spare tire, ensuring it is seated properly against the hub. Finally, lower your Mustang completely to the ground. Once it's down, use your lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern for even pressure. Double-check the spare tire's pressure. It should typically be around 60 psi for most temporary spares. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.